night. Well, this is Patricia and I am traveling through history, sitting here on my patio. Thought you'd enjoy watching this thunderstorm. And watching, oh my, look at that water. It's just really, really. Let's follow that back, shall we? That is insane. Wow. Note that there is a drain right there, but it can be easily overwhelmed. But I love watching it. That's not a plane, folks. That is thunder. Thunder. Oh, and there's water from the other side. Water from both sides. I can hear the drain. Can you? There's water coming down there. See that? How cool is that? Anyway, pretty nifty. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you're enjoying this thunderstorm as much as I am. Anyway, you have a good evening. I mean, it looks like nighttime out here, but it's actually, maybe 5:30 at night? Something like that. Anyhow, you have a great night, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.